A tropical cyclone Emnati made a landfall in southwestern Madagascar on Tuesday night with winds of 135 kilometers per hour, raising fears of continued destruction on the already devastated island. Emnati is the fifth extreme weather event and the fourth major storm to make landfall on the Indian Ocean island nation over the past month. Previous storms have displaced thousands and killed hundreds since mid-January. The UN on Tuesday said that communities hardest hit by the previous cyclone Batsirai in early February were likely to be affected again. The southern African nations of Malawi, Mozambique, and Zambia have been experiencing extreme weather as a result of tropical cyclone Dumako over the past week.